This is the main screen of Power BI. At the top, we have Home ribbon, in which we have options like import data, get data, and transform data, add new visuals, and apply transformations, and publish report, etc. This is the report view. This is the main workspace where we design reports using visual elements like charts, tables, maps, etc. Display view. Now the next view is display view. So this is the table view. It displays the raw data in the table format after being loaded. It allows you to inspect and modify the data. You can choose data from here and it will get displayed on the screen. Next, we have model view. In model view, we create model of the tables, like connect different tables with each one of those. Then when we go back to the report view, we have fields pane. So it lists all the imported tables and fields. You can drag and drop from them into the visual. Next, we have visualizations pane. It contains various chart types and customization options for designing dashboards. Next, we have filter pane. It allows applying filters at different levels, like filters on a particular page or filter on all pages, or visual wise filter. Then yeah, this is the main elements, or you can say main tools of Power BI. Thank you.